Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use temporary object snaps with Shift and right-click using the easy method. This is a great way to summon a hidden helper menu so you can lock your mouse arrow onto a single specific point for just one click. Step 1. Pick up your drawing brush or movement tool. The first step is to start a basic command like drawing a line or picking up a shape so the software knows you are actively trying to place an object onto your drawing canvas. Move your pointer to the top button row or type the word line into the bottom typing bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Verify that your mouse cursor changes into a crosshair look, meaning the software is waiting for you to pick a starting point on your drawing sheet. Because the temporary shortcut list will not open if you are just floating your mouse over an empty screen. You have to be inside an active tool so the program knows you need a placement helper. Without this step, pressing the shortcut keys will do nothing because there is no shape to attach the rules to. Step 2. Hold down the Shift key and right-click your mouse button. Next, you need to use the two-button finger trick on your keyboard and mouse to trigger the hidden pop-up menu directly under your cursor tip. Press and hold the Shift button on the left side of your keyboard, keep it held down, and click the right button on your mouse once. Watch your monitor view closely to ensure a long vertical list of text choices pops up exactly where your mouse arrow is sitting. Because instead of going deep into your bottom options panel to turn features on and off, this quick combination acts as a fast pass to your tools. By using this keyboard trick, you command the layout engine to reveal every single tracking rule available in the software all at once. It ensures you don't lose your drawing flow. Step 3. Select your single target helper from the list. Now you need to scroll through the vertical pop-up list and click on the exact type of point you want your mouse pointer to lock onto next. Move your mouse arrow down the open text menu, locate a specific target word like midpoint or center, and click on it once with your main mouse button. Notice that the pop-up list vanishes instantly after you click the word, leaving your drawing brush active and ready. Because choosing a single word from this list tells the program engine to put every other catching rule to sleep for your very next click. It turns off the distracting corner magnets so you can target a middle point safely without your arrow jumping to the wrong spot. It is the key step to getting the right output because it gives you absolute control over your hand movement. And that's it. To use temporary object snaps, you must first start a tool like the line command to activate your drawing brush. Then you hold the Shift key and right-click your mouse to call up the hidden helper menu. Next, you select a single point rule like midpoint from the vertical checklist to isolate your target. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.